everyone, my name is Ari.
And I'm Aris.
And today we are going to do the unboxing of a PSU from Apexgaming, the AG-850M. Aris is gonna help us with the unboxing. So what can we do, what can we say about this PSU?
This PSU is made by Solitech. It costs around 110 bucks and it has 80 plus gold and ETA-A minus efficiency in the cybernetic scale. It comes with a 10-year warranty. It's in here. 80 plus badge is here. It says that it has Japanese capacitors Rubicon inside. This only applies to the bulk caps in the PFC converter. The rest of the caps are Chinese.
So some are Japanese and some are...
No, only one is Japanese.
Okay.
It's another marketing trick. It promises tight voltage control or load regulation, as we call it with PSU reviewers, but this is not entirely true. Also, quiet operation, far from truth. Quiet operation. This is a very noisy PSU. It didn't even receive a lambda certification.
So it didn't even meet the
minimum standards of cybernetics.
Okay. So let's unbox it and talk about it in the process.
You can do it.
Well, we'll both do it. Okay. We start with the brochures.
Yeah. Safety information for PSU.
The warranty guide.
Warranty guide, yeah. You'll definitely need this one.
Yeah, for 10 years, don't lose it. Okay, so we find a velvet pouch, probably with all the cables inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have stealth cables and ribbon style.
So these are different, so that nobody will mix them up.
Where these cables go, do you know?
Yeah, it says PCI, it's easy.
And what is PCI? What it's used
yeah,
for?
I kind of forgot again.
Okay.
Kind of forgot.
Graphics cards.
Okay. This is the
24.
The 24 pin.
No SATA 24. No. My God.
So we have the power cord here.
It's of US type power cord. Not so thick.
Okay.
Some zip ties.
I really like the velvet pouch. Okay, the PSU is really nice packed.
Don't like it so much. I prefer packing foam.
This
is ecological.
It is ecological, and it is safe in any case, isn't it?
I don't think so. It isn't so safe.
Let's see.
Okay.
Shall we? Oh, we forgot these ones.
Fixing balls. Yeah. So this is the PSU. It has a punched fan grill with different shapes. Here,
I think we've come up with this one again.
Yeah,
okay.
We did. This is used for another side.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the fully modular panel. The side stickers.
They come off.
No, we remove them.
Oh, you remove them.
To disassemble
so they don't come off.
Yeah. This is the specifications label.
Is there anything that matters? Really?
I don't think so. It's in Chinese mostly.
Okay.
The front side.
With a honeycomb grill.
You learn.
Kind of.
There's a small power switch here. And
so the chassis
the fin is
glossy?
No, it's not glossy. And it's of acceptable quality, I think.
Okay. It's not compact though.
The main problem, what I didn't like with this PSU is the slip bearing fan. In a PSU that will last for 10 years, since this is its warranty, a slip bearing fan is simply unacceptable. Especially in this price range of 110 bucks.
Well, that will be written in the review, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for watching.
Bye.